In today's video, I will show you how to use Spacedesk with a USB cable to mirror or extend your main display. It's simple process, so follow along step by step. First, visit the official Spacedesk website. You will need to download drivers. Install this on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. This is the main tool that runs your primary display. And we'll install this on any secondary device such as Android tablets, iOS, iPad, Amazon devices, Windows HTML5 devices. So you need to enable USB connection on the driver now. So open the Spacedesk driver console on your main PC. Make sure the driver is enabled. Scroll to communication interfaces. Tick the check boxes for USB cable, Android or iOS depending on your device. Android USB may disable other USB apps like file transfer. Read the compatibility warnings carefully to choose the right option. Now you need to open the Spacedesk viewer on your secondary device. If you are using a USB cable, simply plug it in. The connection should start automatically. If it doesn't, tap the USB icon and check the menu for connection option. Once connected, the new display will usually mirror your main screen by default. And to extend the display, go to display settings, choose extend this display, position your second monitor wherever you like. This lets you fully use your secondary device as an additional screen. And that's it. You now know how to use Spacedesk with a USB connection to mirror or extend your display. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.